Let's take a look at this other module. In this module, we are going to talk about the maximum power points that we have on the IV curve. And we already said that when we are talking about the maximum power points, the maximum power points will always be gotten when you have the voltage at maximum power and when you have a current at maximum power. Then this is the IV curve, an IV curve of a 12-volt solar panel. If you look at this particular point, you see point A. Point A is the maximum power point. What do we mean by the maximum power point, or Pmax of a solar panel, or when you are talking about the IV curve? The maximum power point is always gotten when by multiplying your voltage at maximum power and your current at maximum power when your solar panel is subjected to a load. When your solar panel is subjected to a load at standard test condition. We talked about the standard test condition, the 100 watts per square meter irradiance or illumination. That is when the solar panel is subjected to that particular condition and a cell temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. That is another condition that your solar panel will be subjected to, and it is under a load. Your solar panel is connected to a load. Is not at open circuit condition, whereby the solar panel is not connected to a load, and a 1.5 atmospheric spectral condition. So if you subject your solar panel to those conditions and that solar panel is connected to a load and you test the power that that solar panel will produce, the power rating on the nameplate will correspond to the power that you will have when you make use of your multimeter. So the maximum power point is the point where your solar panel will produce its maximum output power under load. Remember, this is very important. You have to make sure that your solar panel is under a load. Under a load, the solar panel is connected to a load at standard test condition. That means the condition that the solar panel will be subjected to, there is going to be the standard test condition that we will have. If you subject your solar panel to those conditions and you test the power output that you will have, that will give you the maximum power of that particular solar panel, and it will correspond to what would be on the solar panel nameplate. We will talk about the solar panel nameplate when we are done with the IV curve. So when you subject your solar panel to such a condition, there will certainly be a voltage. That is, there certainly be a voltage. That will be the voltage at maximum power. That means when you are having a maximum power, there is a voltage that gives you that maximum power, and there is equally a current that gives you that maximum power. The voltage at maximum power, point B, and the current at maximum power, the when you multiply those two values, that is when you have your maximum power point, and that is equally the voltage at Pmax, or the current at Pmax. So that is what maximum power mean. When you look at any solar nameplate, we say this solar panel is 100 watts. This solar panel is 150 watts. This solar panel is 500 watts. That means the maximum power that that solar panel will produce if the solar panel is subjected to the standard test condition that we already said something about. So we talked about efficiency. We talked about efficiency of a solar panel. That means if you connect your solar panel in an open field, it might not really give you that rating on the solar panel. It will give you something close to that because it is not under standard test condition. So that will tell you how efficient your solar panel is. That will tell you, that will give you an impression of how your solar panel is. So please, when you see the maximum power, that is the wattage rating of any solar panel that is on the nameplate, get to understand how they come about that maximum power, and get to understand how those figures on the nameplate came about. That is what maximum power points, voltage at maximum power, current at maximum power mean.